Today we will discuss about something called multiplexer, demultiplexer. This is the next portion of the encoder, decoder what we have studied. Before going to that, one scenario we have in our area, that is we have multiple source in our home like MP3 player we have, laptop we have, digital satellite, something for TV and digital cable TV we have. Okay, and we have only one system for surrounding sounding. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to buy for four different sounding system for these four different multiple sources, or if you can map this particular sound system to the all four multiple sources, is it possible? What is your idea? What you can do? You have to buy four times sound system, or in one sound system only you have to connect these four multiple source and you can select whichever you want. Which one is the best option? Instead of buying all sounding system, we can make what one sounding system can be run according to the which multiple source or which source we require to run. Suppose I want MP3 player, I have to give here one such a switches, or we can call it as a selector. That's a selector line for MP3 player. This is the selector line. If I take that particular select line, the MP3 player is selected. If I take another one selector, the laptop is selected. If I take another one selector, digital satellite is taken. Again, if I take one more selector, digital cable TV is selected. Like that we can do it. See how we are done here. But this purpose we are using called as a multiplexer. What is actually multiplexer means? Many into one. Always remember, many means how many input you require, multiple source, anything. But always remember, in mux we have only one output. It never ever change. In encoder, decoder, it changes input output depending upon n number of bit. But multiplexer, it never change. It always one output. So we have here, for example, 4 input. So D0, D1, D2, D3. To select 4 input, I required select line is switch is 2 select line. If I take only one select line, it has switch off only 0 or 1. Yes or no? To make sure that I have to select 4 means I have to select line as a 2. How to make this select line combination with input? What is the relation between input and select line? If it is 2 input, I can make one select line. If it is 4 input, we have to take 2 input. Why? Because 2 select line. Why? Because you have to select 4 in different possibility. Now anyone tell me the input and select line, what is the relation? I will clear like this. If it is your n select line is there, okay, you have n select line, you can make 2 to the power of n input possible. Suppose you have 2 select line. Suppose take it 2 select line AB. So if you have 2 select line, what happens? I can make n is 2 means 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So I can take 4 input here. Similar way, if I have one select line, so how much input I can take? 2 to the power of 1 is, it's nothing but 2. So 2 input I can take for one select line. If it is 5 select line, how much input I can take? 5 select line means it is again 2 to the power of 5. It's 32. Yes or no? So we can select 32 input for this. Now opposite right. If I want to make 18 input to take mux. So how much select line required? For 18 input, how many select line required? 4. Okay. So 2 to the power of 4 means it is 2 to the power of 3 not possible, because 2 to the power of 3 means it is you are getting 16. So 18 is less than that. So go for next one. Okay. So like that you can take it. This is the way how to select input and select line. If you have input, you can choose select line. If you have select line, you can choose the input. Okay, this is how the multiplexer works, right? So in this multiplexer, you usually call 2 to 1 multiplexer. Okay, so we have 2 input and 1 output. Always remember, I told multiplexer is 1 only, never ever change. Okay, don't worry. One more possibility is 4 to 1. So that is nothing but 2 select line. If it is 3 select line, 8 to 1 multiplexer we will call. Okay, 8 is to 1 multiplexer we will call something like this. 2 is to 1 mux. Okay, or we will call like 4 is to 1 mux, or we can call like 8 is to 1 mux, or we can call like 16 is to 1 mux, so on. Okay, 32 is to 1, so on, possible. Okay, these are different type of the multiplex possible. So what is the multiplex diagram? We have input. Make input is a bigger one because more input here and only one output. Okay, Input we usually called as a source, output usually called as a destination. These are select line. Why it is called select line? It is make sure that which input we have to select in the output side. Anytime only one input can be selected. Okay, this is how the structure of the multiplexer look. We will go with the one first example, 2 is to 1 multiplexer, how it look like. We can write like this, 2 is to 1 mux. Okay, so first we can try with 2 is to 1 mux block diagram, how it look like and how many input and how many output here. Anything given like this input output, this is actually given as a input. Okay, input is to output mux, this is actually pattern of the mux given. So input is 2, output is 1. So we can take input is 2 input here, 1 here and 1 here, and 1 output here. So this is my output and these are my input. So input I can name it anything. So actually these are data input. Okay, so usually we will call it as a d0, d1. You can call it x0, x1, x2, x3, like that also possible. Output I am calling as a y. Okay, and 2 is to 1 mux we have to make as a select line. Okay, select line you can choose here. Now how many select line required for 2 input? Already we discussed. Actually how many select line, that 2 to the power of n is the input. Okay, n is the select line. So according to this we have one select line. So I can call select line as a S0. S means select line, so S0. D means data input. So D0. You can take I0, I1 also. Many people are taking I means input, I0, I1 also. So this you can call as a 2 is to 1 mux. This is your block diagram. You can write like this block diagram. Now truth table, what it look like? It has 2 input. So take 2 input. One is D0 and D1. These are input. And I have select line. So no, S0, and I have output is Y. Right? Now, what is D0, D1 possibility? Actually, D0, D1 means we have to select which one we want. S0 is the switching operation. So S0 has two possibility, either 0 or 1. Okay. So when S0 is 0, usually I will select in Y as a D1. Okay. If it is S0 is 1, I will select as a D2. Suppose if you take previous example, suppose I have here something called MP3 player and here I have computer. So if I want to select, here I have sound speaker. Okay, so sound speaker I want to select from MP3 as a source, then my select line here is 0. If I make 0 as a select line, then the D1 is selected, sorry, D0 is selected, it is nothing but MP3 player. If I give S0 is 1, okay, switch is high, then it is selected as a D1. So it's nothing but computer is selected for the output portion. So this is your something like truth table. So D0, D1, whatever input you are taking, not required to take any values. Okay, it is always present. If it is 0, D0 is selected. If it is 1, D2 is selected. Either D0 is 0 or 1, it doesn't matter. If it is 0 also, why not become 0? If it is 1 also, why not become 1? So it doesn't matter which one is D0. Whatever D0 is selected when select line is 0. What is the equation of Y now? Actually only one output we have, Y. Yes or no? What is the equation of Y in this particular truth table? Actually previously how our output is, Y is 1 or 0. Yes or no? If it is 1 only we are taking, 0 not taking. The meaning is, if it is 0 1, it is 1, meaning what actually we are taking, this is A bar B and multiply with 1, so it become A bar B only, so we are taking. And if it is multiply with 0, it is everything becomes 0, so we are not taking 0 values. Yes or no? Similar way here Y is D0. So what we have to get, it is S0 is 0, so we can call S0 bar, and D0 is there, so you have to take D0. Previously why we are taking for only 1? The reason is you have to multiply that particular term with the ones or zeros. If you multiply 0, everything becomes 0, so we are not taking 0 values, we are only taking 1 value. So we are not writing like A B1, because every time into 1 not required. It's if you multiply with 1, it is same. Yes or no? So we are leaving this one. Okay, so but here Y is not a 0 or 1, it is D0, so we are taking that. Okay, next similar way it is S not, it's not bar because 1 and D1. Okay, this is called as a your 2 is to 1 multiplexer equation. What is the equation? S naught bar D naught plus S naught D1. Okay. Now we can draw the logic diagram for this one. Okay. Logic diagram means we have three input in logic diagram. One is anyway the D naught and D1 is there. One more we have select line. Yes or no? Better to take select line here. And select line I have two options. One is S naught, another one is S naught bar. Yes or no? So I will take like this S naught bar. Okay. So this one I will call this one I will call as a S naught bar. Now I have D naught and D1 I have. So I will take as a Y like it is addition. So first I will take multiplication of D naught, okay, with respect to S naught bar. Next we have one more multiplication. It is multiplication D1 with the S naught. Okay. And now these two is added, so you can add it using OR gate and you will get the answer. This is your Y. Okay. This is your S naught bar D naught. This is your S naught D1. Okay. And totally you will get addition of these two, that is Y as a answer. Okay. I hope you understood about 2 is to 1 marks how it works. So 2 is to 1 marks, what are the stuff you have to do? First you have to do the block diagram, how it look like, then you have to do for truth table, then equation, then logic gates. Okay. Using basic gate or any gate you can draw the particular equation what you got. Yeah. Now we move on the what is look like of 4 is to 1 marks. 4 is to 1 marks, what are the changes we have to do? 2 is to 1 marks we have done something. Yes or no? Now what you have to do in 4 is to 1 marks? How many input, how many output, and what changes we have to do it. First I'll write as a 4 is to 1 marks. In this 4 is to 1 marks, the input is how much? Actually the format is input is to output. So in this heading we can say that input is 4, output is always 1. Now one more, for structure of any marks we require select line. Now how much select line required? It is a 2 select line. The formula for actually 2 to the power of n is your input and n is your select line. Okay. Whatever select line is there, that to the power is input. Okay. You can do reverse operation also. So this is the whole structure for your 4 is to 1 marks. Now go to the block diagram. It look like something like this. So 4 is to 1 marks, right? And you have 4 input. So I can write the D naught, D1, D2 and D3. So this is look like 4 input and we can take as a select line. One is S naught, another one is S1, 2 select. So we can have one output, that is Y. This is what all about the block diagram of the 4 is to 1 or we can call it as a logic symbol also. Now we can go for the truth table or functional table. We can select as a select line first. We can go with the S naught, S1. So I will take the MSBT is S1. Okay. S naught is the LSBT. You can vice versa also you can, but always the higher priority take as MS. Now the S1, S naught are the select lines. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. There is a 4 possibility possible in this select line. What happens when S naught S1 is 0 0, output Y you have to get. What is the output Y? D naught. So when you are giving as a 0 0, so you have to make as a D naught. Similar way, if it is 0 1, it is D1. If it is 1 0, it is D2. If it is 1 1, it is D3. This is what you got as a functional diagram or truth table. Now move on to the your equation. So Y is equal to, we can call as a S1 bar S naught bar D naught plus S1 bar S naught because 0 1, okay, and D1 plus we can write like this S1 S naught bar D2 plus S1 S naught, both are 1 1, okay, D3. This is the your logical equation of so we can make like this 4 equations. For D naught is selected both 0 0 like that. Okay. Now you can draw the logic diagram for this one. So take S naught S1 as a select line, previously we have taken, and take 4 input D naught D1 D2 D3, 4 AND gate and 1 OR gate. You can make like this. This is your D naught and D1 D2 and D3. Okay. And here you can take two things. One is S1 S1 is straight and another one is S1 bar. Okay, two things from S1 and again S2 two things. One is S2 directly, another one is S2 bar. Okay, like that. You can make like this. And first one you have take AND gate contain see D naught S1 bar S0 bar. So S1 bar you have to take S1 bar S2 bar and then D naught. This is nothing but first one. A similar way you can take second one, similar way you can take third one, and similar way you can take, so together you can make as a second one is S1 bar. So take from S1 bar and then S2 S1 bar and S0. So S0 one more line take it, this is S0 and this is from D1. Similar way this is the third one S1 S0 bar. So take S1 directly here and D2 here and this is S0 bar. So take from S0. Similar way last one S0 here and S1 here and D3 here. This is how the logic diagram. Similar way one as at 8:1 marks. How many input? What is the select line? And what is the equation and how your logic diagram look. You will take one solve below marks and try to do this marks how to below it. Okay. This is the given. In this given is what C bar is given and I1 and I2, I3, I4 are the input and this is they are given 4:1 marks. Okay, and one output Y where A and B are the select line. Now we have to derive this one and solve the below marks means we have to make what is the equation of this one or we have to take notations. What are the numbers we have to get from these portions. So how to do this one we can do it step by step. First we can select make as a truth table. So truth table what we actually we require one is A we require. Okay, these are select line A and B. Okay, A and B select line we have 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 1 we have. Yes or no? So these are the select line and output we have Y. So what output I have to get Y when 0 0 I have to get as a I1. So I1 is what given here C bar. So take C bar here. Again when 0 1 I2 is selected and here is given C bar. And when AB is 1 0 I3 has to be selected. So here given as C. And then I4 is 1 1. So here given is C. So this is this how truth table is formed. Once you can form the truth table, now you can go for the your equations. Now equation is how it look like. It is look like AB. It is A bar, B bar, C bar from the first one. Okay. Second one it is A bar, B, C bar. Third one it is A, B bar, C and fourth one ABC. Now this one we can convert into the numbers. So what is the number? A bar, B bar, C bar means 0, 0, 0. Okay, it's nothing but 0. Next, A bar means 0, B means 1, C bar means 0, 0, 1, 0 means again plus A means 1, B bar 0, C 1, 1, 0, 1 means 5 plus ABC means 1, 1, 1. It's nothing but 7. So we can call given mux is function of ABC is equal to it's a summation of m because 1 given like that. So it is 0 2 5 7. This is what the answer we got from this particular. You can simplify this also further but not required. For here our aim is what are the number given for this mux. This mux number is given 0 to 5 7. How to solve? First you have to go for the truth table from this selection I1, I2, I3 and I4 selected according to that. Then go for the equation and then convert into the number. It's actually function of ABC and given is A to I1, A bar to I2, 1 to I3, 0 to I3. 0 0 is A. Okay, this is B you can take. This is C you can take. Okay, 0 0 A, 0 1 is A bar and 1 0 is 1 and 1 1 is 0. Okay, how I1, I2, I3 selected. This is everyone know. Then go for equation. Wherever 0 is there, this not required. We know the truth table. So A means B bar, C bar, A. Okay, so I have written A, B bar, C bar. Next A bar, B bar, C. So that is A bar, B bar, C plus BC bar. Okay, why BC bar? Because the B is high here and C bar and 1 given. Into 1 means BC bar only. A is not given. So BC bar. So this is not a canonical form. So you have to convert into that. So BC bar A plus A bar. So it become look like a BC bar okay, plus a bar bc bar, okay. So do it all the numbers. A bc bar means 100, it's nothing but 4. 001 is nothing but 41. And abc bar means 110, okay. 110 means it's nothing but 6010. Suppose we are taken one example. F is equal to a comma b comma c is equal to summation of m, we can call as a 1356. Suppose we will take example of 1356. Now how to do this one in the mux? Listen carefully, some tricks are there here. Actually in this what you have to do, m1356 means it's a three variable, yes or no? So what is a type of mux you have to use here? The input is 3, okay. So this is n. So 3 is what actually n we are taking. Select line is n. So select line is 3. If it is select line is 3, input is how much? 2 to the power of 3. Yes or no? So how much it is? 8. Yes or no? So you can think that it is something like 8 is to 1 mux. Yes or no? If you take 8 is to 1 mux, yeah, what you are getting is you can give every input. 1, 2, 3, 4, every input you can give it and take output. That is possible. But here our aim is we have to convert this form into the, okay, 4 is to 1 mux. That is the aim. Okay. In 8 is to 1 mux you have to convert. It's very easy. You can select wherever 1, 2, 3, 5. That means you can select something like this. This is your 8 is to 1 mux, and you can take something like 0 and 1, 2, so on, okay, up to 8. And wherever 1 is there, that particular number select 4, like that, okay. The number is 1356. So take 1, 3, and the 5 and 6, whatever number is there, take it and make it, these are logic 1, okay. And 3 select line abc abc. So you will get the answer. It's very easy. Why? So wherever the 1 is there comes, other portion is 0, so it's not an issue, okay. But here how to convert this one into the 4 is to 1 mux? Previously we are taken, remember that. Here what we are done, actually we are done the 4 is to 1 mux using f of abc. ABC means 3, yes or no? For 3 we are taken 4 is to 1 marks. Now how to convert this one into the 4 is to 1 marks is challenging. So listen carefully how to do that one. For that we have to use one method is known as, it is called as a implementation table. Okay, that table you have to select. Now what is that implementation table, how it works? See, here we can say that we have implementation table. We have to take whatever last 2 bit, these are select line bc, okay. A don't take as a select line, so take a here, a bar, okay. And 4 is to 1 mux means we have 4 input. So what are the 4 input? D3, D2, D1 and D0. These are 4 input. Now what you have to fill? You have to fill like your numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, similar way 4, 5, 6, 7. This is nothing but D0, D1, D2, like that, okay. You have to fill like that. This is we are usually called row 1. This is usually called row 2. Now what you have to do, whatever number is given 1356, right, that you have to select. So number is given 1 here, and number is given 3 here, number is given 5 here, number is given 6 here. You have to select. Now what happens in this case? If I take the 0 and 4, both are 0 values, that means not selected, yes or no? So here we can say that this is 0. Next, when you're taking 1 and 5, both are selected, so we can call this one as a 1 because both are selected. A bar a get cancelled. If you go with this 2 and 6, the 6 is selected, 2 is not selected. 2 is 0, leave it. 6 is selected in a portion, so make it this one as a. Okay. Similar way in 7 and 3, the 3 is selected. 3 is selected means it is the first portion a bar, so it is a bar, right? Now you have to give according to this table. Take 4 is to 1 marks. Here we have something called D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay. Now what you have to give for D0? D0 you have to give for a bar because I got a bar here. Next, for D1 I got a, so you have to give a here. And D2 you have to give 1 here. And D3 nothing, you have to give 0 here. Okay. and anyway these two are BC. Okay, write BC, and this is your Y. This is how you can do the, if any number is given 3 bit, you can, instead of doing 8 is to 1 marks, you can do the 4 is to 1 marks like this. Okay, so depending upon the question you have to choose it. In this question, f of ABC is equal to summation of m1356. You can do 8 is to 1 marks. If they are mentioned or if you are not mentioned anything, go for 8 is to 1 marks. Actually 8 is to 1 marks doing is very easy. Okay, simply draw the line and make it like this, and it is something like 8 is to 1 marks. Okay, so you have answer like D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, and then D5, D6, D7. Okay, now here which are the things selected? 1, 3, 5, 6. So select related that 1 is there, 3 is there, and 5 is there, 6 is there. Okay, these all make together and write as a logic 1, and all other are 0. Okay, so make select line ABC, and this is your Y. Okay, this is how we can do how many variable given directly to that. If you want to do a smaller value, that means lesser value, you, instead of 8 is to 1 marks, next adjacent one, that is 4 is to 1. How to do 4 is to 1? You have to go for this implementation table. Okay, previous example only we will take, we'll check that is proper or not. What is the previous answer we got? 4162, right? We'll take that one only. Let's see what. Suppose f is equal to ABC is equal to summation of, what is the number I told? 4162. Okay, 4162, or we can call 1246. How to do it? First go for the implementation table. Okay, implementation table, the A bar and A, this is nothing but MSB bit. Here ABC 3 bit is right. This MSB bit A you have to take, that is A bar A. Okay, then take like this D3, D2, D1, D0. Okay, and from here start the values like 0, 1, 2, 3, and similar way 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yeah. Now here try, what are the number given? 1 is given, so mark it 1. Then 2 is given, mark it 2. 4 is given, mark it 4. 6 is given, mark it 6. Okay, yeah. Now try for D3. D3, what happens? The 4 is marked, so it is A. Okay, and D2, the 1 is marks, it is nothing but look like A bar. So because the 5 is not selected, only whichever selected that particular equation A bar. Here A, if both are selected, cancel out, so it is 1. If both are not selected, so it is 0. So your diagram look like something like this. So it is, we are converting into 4 is to 1 marks. So B and C are the your select lines. B and C are the select line. So your look like, first you have D0, right? D0, D1, D2, D3. So D0 is 0, so not you are giving anything. D1 is 1, D2 is A bar, and D3 is A. Okay, and this is what Y, A of ABC. If I take one more example for your reference, something called, suppose I will take one more example, 0, 0, 2, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. This we have to do. Actually, how to do this one? And here we can call this one as a f of ABCD. 0, 2, 6, 10, 11, 12. It's actually 4 here, so it's look like a 4 to 16. But we have to convert this one into the 3 is to 8 marks. 3 is to 8 marks we have to convert. How to convert it? So what you have to do? Take here as it is previous A bar A. Okay, and start from anything. You can start from D0 or D7 also. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, so actually this is 0, right? D0 is 0, 0, so it look like a 0 like that. It's a A0 is 0, it's a 0, 1, so it's nothing but 1 like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again 8. Why 8 is 8? Because this is 1, this is 0, 0. Okay, similar 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, here actually it is 0 0 0. Why? Because 3 bit, 3 select line. BCD is a select line. Okay, so it is 0 0 1. So it become in the A8. Why? Because 1 triple zeros, right? So this one become 1 1 1. D7 means, and 0 1 1 is 7. Okay, you can go with this method, is easy to. Now here whichever number is given, 0 given, so mark 0, 2 is given, mark 2, 6 is given, mark 6, 10 is given, mark 10, 11 is given, mark 11, 12 is given, mark 12, 13 is given, mark 13. So this is nothing but A bar, this is 0, this is both are there 1, this is A, and this is A, this is again A, this is A bar, this is 0. Very simple. From this you can give it. Okay, so this is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, and D5, D6, D7. Okay, so D0 is nothing but A bar, give it. D1 is 0, and D2 is 1, D3 is A, D4 is A, D5 is A, D6 is A bar, and this is 0. Very simple. And this is your Y, and select line are BCD. Now what is actually demultiplexer? Its name itself says it's the opposite operation of multiplexer. Suppose one example I have taken, I have computer. From computer I have to send to the some black and white laser printer, fax machine, color printer, or pen plotter. So how to send this all to from one to another? So this method we are usually called demultiplexer. Always remember, demultiplexer always having one input and many output. Okay, one to many. Multiplexer is many to one. Demultiplexer is just the opposite operation. What it is? One to many. Suppose we have to call here 1 to 4 we can do, or 1 to 2 we can do, 1 to 8 we can do, many way you can do it. Okay, how to we can do? Similar procedure what we have done previous. Selector lines. See, we have two select line, B and A. So if it is 0 0, it is selected first one, D0. So the input to the this particular computer is connected to the your laser printer. Okay, if it is 0 1, your computer is connected to the fax machine, because this is D1, and D2, D3. So what is actually D0 is? D0 is nothing but here B bar, A bar. Okay, so your input is something you are given B bar, A bar as a select line. So you will get, and this is your input X. So write X. Okay, B bar, A bar, X is your output of D0. D1 means it is B bar, A, X. Similar way, D2 means it is B, A bar, X. X means whatever input we are given. And D3 means it is nothing but B, A, X. Okay, so this is how the demultiplexer is work. I will directly go with the structural diagram. So what is structural diagram? We have one input and n number of select lines and 2 to the power of 1 output. This is just opposite way. Previously 2 to the power of n input we have. Instead of that, here 2 to the power of n output. N select line remains same for both multiplexer and demultiplexer. It doesn't change. Only changes in input output, it reverse. So usually called, if it is one select line, it is 1 to 2 or 1 is to 2. If it is 2 select line, 1 is to 4. If it is 3 select line, 1 is to 8. If it is 4 select line, 1 is to 16. Okay, so how it is look like? See, already I told we are taken as a B and A 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So we can call as a D0. Okay, D0 is selected X. X means you are not a, don't care, don't confuse with that. This is input value. Okay, whatever input is given here, X is input given, so that X is selected here. So what is your answer of D0 now? D0 is X is here, and this portion is nothing but B bar. Yes or no? And this portion is nothing but A bar. That is nothing but, see here, B bar, A bar, and D0. Okay, I hope you are getting D0 portion, X is there. Similar way, D1, D2, D3. This is how your truth table look like, and this is how your logic tag. Okay, if it is 0 and 1, so all the other output is 0, only D1 is selected, that particular input. If it is 1 0, all the other output is 0, D2 is selected.